The therapeutic effects of gardening and growing your own food. Title: The therapeutic effects of gardening and growing your own food. Introduction: 150 words. Gardening and growing your own food have become increasingly popular activities in recent years. Beyond the nutritional benefits and the satisfaction of producing your own crops, there is a growing body of evidence highlighting the therapeutic effects of gardening. Studies have shown that regular gardening can improve cardiovascular health, increase flexibility, and help maintain a healthy weight. 2. Exposure to sunlight. Spending time outdoors in the sun enables our bodies to produce vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and the functioning of the immune system. Gardening provides an opportunity to soak up the sun's rays, potentially reducing the risk of vitamin D deficiency. 3. Nutrient-rich diet. Growing your own food empowers you to cultivate an assortment of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. These homegrown produce tend to be fresher and more nutritious than store-bought alternatives, promoting a healthier diet that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The soothing effect of being surrounded by greenery, the scent of flowers, and the rhythmic action of digging or watering can induce a sense of calm and relaxation. 2. Mood enhancement. Gardening has been shown to boost mood and emotional well-being. Spending time outdoors in fresh air and taking in the beauty of nature contributes to a greater sense of contentment and happiness. The act of nurturing plants and watching them grow can instill a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. 3. Mindfulness and mental clarity. Gardening serves as a natural form of mindfulness practice. 4. Social interaction and community engagement. Gardening is a shared interest that can foster social connections and community involvement. Therapeutic benefits for specific groups. 400 words. 1. Children and education. Involving children in gardening activities can promote a sense of responsibility, patience, and curiosity in them. Research has shown that gardening programs in schools can have a positive impact on children's attitudes towards healthy eating, environmental conservation, and well-being. It offers an opportunity for hands-on learning, connecting with nature, and fostering an appreciation for the environment. 2. Elderly population. Gardening can be especially beneficial for the elderly, providing physical activity, mental stimulation, and a sense of purpose. It encourages mobility, dexterity, and independence while reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. Accessible and adaptive gardening tools and techniques have been developed to accommodate the needs of older individuals. Environmental benefits of gardening. 400 words. In addition to the personal benefits, gardening also has a positive impact on the environment. Here are some environmental benefits to consider. 1. Biodiversity conservation. By creating a garden, you are providing a habitat for various plants and animals. Gardens can attract birds, butterflies, bees, and other pollinators, which are essential for the health and diversity of ecosystems. Planting native species can also support local wildlife populations. 2. Soil enrichment. Gardens help improve soil quality by adding organic matter through composting and mulching. This enriches the soil with essential nutrients, promotes microbial activity, and increases water retention. Healthy soil is vital for the long-term sustainability of plant growth and ecosystem health. 3. Water conservation. With careful planning and appropriate gardening practices, you can reduce water consumption. Implementing techniques such as drip irrigation, using rainwater harvesting systems, and opting for drought-tolerant plants can conserve water resources and minimize waste. 4. Carbon sequestration. Plants play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it as carbon. By growing plants, you contribute to carbon sequestration, which helps mitigate climate change. Trees, in particular, have a significant impact on reducing the carbon footprint. Here are some ways gardening can be adapted for people with disabilities. 1. Accessible garden design. Modifying garden spaces to accommodate different mobility needs is essential. Raised beds, vertical gardens, and container gardening can make gardening more accessible for wheelchair users or those with limited mobility. Creating pathways that are wide and level can also facilitate movement. 2. Sense stimulation. Sensory gardens are designed to engage multiple senses such as sight, touch, smell, and even sound. Incorporating plants with varying textures, fragrances, and colors can create a stimulating environment for individuals with sensory disabilities. These programs can be tailored to meet different needs and interests, providing a structured and supportive environment for participants. 4. Adaptive tools and techniques. There are various tools and techniques available that can be adapted to help individuals with disabilities actively participate in gardening. Long-handled tools, ergonomic grips, and specialized adaptations can assist those with limited dexterity or strength. Economic benefits of gardening, 400 words. In addition to the personal, environmental, and therapeutic benefits, gardening can also have positive economic impacts. Here are some economic benefits to consider. 1. Cost savings. Growing your own food can significantly reduce your grocery bill. By producing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, you can save money on purchasing these items from a store. Additionally, growing your own food allows you to control the quality and organic nature of the produce, potentially avoiding the higher costs associated with organic products. This can help create jobs and stimulate economic activity in your area. 3. Entrepreneurship opportunities. Gardening can also provide opportunities for entrepreneurship. This can generate additional income and contribute to the local economy. 4. Value-added products. Beyond selling fresh produce, gardening can allow you to create value-added products such as homemade jams, pickles, or herbal remedies. These products can be sold at farmers' markets or online, providing an avenue for small-scale entrepreneurship and income generation. Educational benefits, 400 words. Gardening offers numerous educational benefits for people of all ages, fostering learning opportunities in various subjects. Here are some educational benefits of gardening.